Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone with a Xiaomi Mi Box S HDR Android Smart TV Media Streamer Player, the Dysead AC adapter. This isn't just a simple power supply. It's engineered to deliver reliable and secure power, ensuring your streaming experience remains smooth and uninterrupted. The Dysead adapter immediately impresses with its commitment to durability and efficiency. Constructed from the finest materials, it's designed for a longer lifespan than many standard power supplies. This focus on quality also translates into a more energy-saving operation, making it a durable and affordable choice. It's built to be a robust and lasting component of your entertainment setup. Security is paramount, and this AC adapter excels with multiple safety protections. Each unit undergoes rigorous quality control, ensuring safe and reliable operation. These crucial safeguards include overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and over-temperature protection. Nothing is more important than security, and this adapter protects your valuable Mi Box S from common electrical hazards, providing peace of mind. A vital piece of advice from the manufacturer is to always verify the correct voltage before connecting, as using the wrong voltage can severely damage your device. They also recommend using less than 80% of the full load, a smart practice that helps extend the life of both the adapter and your media streamer. This thoughtful guidance underscores the brand's dedication to user safety and product longevity. In terms of design, the adapter is a practical black unit, featuring a convenient wall mount. It's a straightforward corded electric power source, ensuring consistent power delivery. The package includes one high-quality power adapter, ready for immediate use. For those seeking a dependable and safe power solution for their Xiaomi Mi Box S, the Dysead AC adapter stands out. Its combination of superior durability, energy efficiency, and comprehensive safety features makes it an excellent investment, guaranteeing your media streamer receives stable and protected power for years of seamless entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.